Drinking. Hydration. Water is essential for keeping the body hydrated, which is vital for all bodily functions. Proper hydration helps maintain energy levels, supports cognitive function, and keeps the body temperature regulated. Health. Drinking water helps prevent dehydration, which can cause headaches, fatigue, and poor concentration. It also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Bathing. Hygiene. Regular bathing removes dirt, sweat, and bacteria from the skin, helping to prevent infections and skin conditions. Food preparation. Water is used to wash fruits, vegetables, and other foods to remove dirt and potential contaminants. Cooking. Water is a key ingredient in many recipes and is used for boiling, steaming, and mixing ingredients. It plays a crucial role in the preparation of nutritious meals. Hand washing. Washing hands with soap and water is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs and illnesses. Dishes and utensils. Cleaning dishes, utensils, and cooking surfaces with water ensures that they are free from food particles and bacteria. Irrigation. Water is crucial for irrigating crops, ensuring that plants receive the necessary moisture to grow and produce food.